Cooling down enthusiasm. The meaning of pour cold water on. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases to help you master the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting expression, pour cold water on. Stick around to discover not just what it means, but also how you can use it in your daily conversations to sound more like a native speaker. When we say someone pours cold water on something, we don't mean they literally take a bucket of cold water and splash it onto an object or person. Instead, this idiom is used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone discourages or dampens enthusiasm for an idea, plan, or project. It's like when you're really excited about something, and then someone comes along with a dose of negativity or skepticism that makes you less excited or even doubtful. The phrase, pour cold water on, has its roots in a very literal action. Historically, pouring cold water on someone was a way to calm them down or to wake someone from a drunken stupor. Over time, this physical action turned into a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of tempering enthusiasm or quelling an idea with a dose of reality. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to incorporate pour cold water on into your everyday language. Here are a few examples. I was excited about my new business idea, but my partner poured cold water on it, saying it wasn't practical. Just when we thought we'd get the project approved, the manager poured cold water on our plans, citing budget constraints. Don't pour cold water on her dreams of becoming an artist. Everyone starts somewhere. Using this idiom can help you convey a specific kind of discouragement or skepticism in a nuanced and idiomatic way. It's important to understand the context when using pour cold water on. This phrase is perfect for situations where someone is being a realist or perhaps even a pessimist, potentially stopping an idea or plan due to practical reasons, doubts, or concerns. However, be mindful not to use it in very formal writing or situations where a more straightforward language is preferred. We hope this video has shed some light on the interesting idiom, pour cold water on. Remember, idioms like these add color and depth to our language, allowing us to express complex ideas and emotions succinctly and vividly. So, don't be afraid to use them in your conversations to make your English sound more natural and engaging. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.